everyone, in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to make money with Chatgpt. One, you can try freelance writing and content creation. You can use Chatgpt to speed up your writing process and offer services like blog writing, SEO content, social media posts, product description. Where to offer it: Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, or directly to businesses. Now you can also start a faceless YouTube or TikTok channel. Use Chatgpt to write script, use AI voices like 11 Labs or TTS apps. Create content in niche like storytelling, tutorials, or top 10s. Monetize through ads, affiliate links, or selling digital products. You can also try building and selling digital products. Use ChatGPT to help create ebooks, Notion templates, printable planners, and online courses or guides. You can sell on Gumroad, Etsy, Payhip, or on your website. You can also try affiliate marketing with AI help. You can ask ChatGPT to write product reviews or blog posts, suggest keywords and SEO titles, draft email sequences or social media captions. You can also promote through your blog, TikTok, Instagram, or Pinterest. Now, you can also ask ChatGPT to offer AI-powered services to businesses. Pitch services like AI chatbot setup using ChatGPT API, auto reply email systems, content optimization, customer service script. And you can try targeting small businesses who want to use AI but don't know how. You can also try creating and selling prompt packs, design highly specific useful prompts for creators, marketers, students, and all the rest. You can sell on prompt marketplaces like Pumpspace or on your platform. You can also tell ChatGPT to build tools or SaaS with the GPT API. If you're technical or you can hire a developer, try creating AI-powered writing apps, business idea generators, niche market research to monetize through subscriptions or one-time purchases. And that's it. That is how to make money from ChatGPT.